going, everybody? Today we are going to change these front tires on this tractor here. Both of them are flat. Had them patched a couple times. It's not holding up, so we're going to just replace the entire wheel tire. Just like that. Put this one off. That'll be tall enough. There we go. Should be a pretty easy little change here, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm gonna mow the lawn here. Let's see. There we go. Just like that. Got a brand new tire. Now we're over here on the left side. I'm going to take this one off. Set that one over there. This new one over here. Yeah, just sit right there. There we go. And these four lugs back on. And then just like that, got two brand new front tires on this bad boy. Now it's time to go test them. Okay, guys, I got the tractor running in the background. Now we're going to go mow, and I'll take you guys along with me.
Open this package that's from Matt from Backwoods Mindset. So now I'm going to open it. Oh my, I see a horse. I see a horse.
You got a horse?
It looks like Snowflake. Looks like Snowflake.
You're getting all kinds of horses, aren't you?
I'll put you right here. Ooh, sour candy.
Oh man, more sour
That's
candy.
Oh my God, I've never seen these before.
What are those?
They're sharks. They are gummy sharks.
Sour watermelon sharks. Those are cool. I bet I'm gonna like those. Got letters?
Yes, 2 of them.
Awesome.
And it's a picture
A picture?
of a flower.
Well, I bet in this letter.
No, don't open it, please, yet. I'm going to save that for last. Ooh, what is this? What is this?
What else did you get in there? He sent you a whole gift pack, didn't he? The big book of outdoor fun for kids.
It's a list.
What's it showing you? Oh, how to make a fort and all kinds of fun activities.
I need to follow this tent thing.
Yeah, we'll have to try those out one day.
Especially this tent thing.
When it stops raining. Let me look at it.
I am definitely using that book. I'm
this is
using
what he
that book
sent.
for all of my needs of outside.
That's pretty awesome right there.
This box might be useful.
Yeah. I've never seen this book, have you?
Look. It's a barn for my horse.
Let's see. You gonna open this?
This horse is Abigail's horse.
Oh, really?
Spirit.
Well, that's awesome.
It's untamed. Spirit untamed.
Oh.
It's Abigail's horse. I'll put it in your barn. Okay. It says to Gray from...
Who's it from? Darcy.
From Darcy. Okay. I'm going to open it.
She's the one in the videos, in his videos, that was making the Rice Krispie treats and the brownies that we watched.
I don't remember brownies and Rice Krispie treats. I think I remember Rice Krispie treats, but not brownies.
Yeah. Need help?
I always open it from right here normally.
Oh, you got it.
It's got hurt. Then you go boop, boop, boop. And boop, boop. And try not to tear it right. I'm trying not to tear it up to the writing, so.
Yeah.
Oh.
And she got a little drawing here.
Yes.
That's a pretty cool drawing right there.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Mimi has these papers. Oh, it's a little doggy and that flower.
Alright, you want to read it?
Yeah,
I might have to come over here and... Let's see. Dear Gray, this is Darcy from Backwoods Mindset saying hi and that you are an awesome kid. Also, Paisley and Ringo and all the animals at Backwoods Mindset says hi. Tell Clover we said hi and give her a big hug for us. Hope you have a good day. From your friends at Backwoods Mindset. And then she drew Clover
And the flower.
and then the flower. And then said, P.S. the dogs and I hope to hear back from you. We got to write her a letter back. What do you think? Well, that was super nice of them.
I know what I'm going to say.
Well, don't tell them. We got to write it on the note.
I know, I'm going to whisper in your ear, Hudson.
Here, you want to put it back in there so we don't lose it?
Sneak. Sneaking. Okay.
So what'd you think about that? That's for me and Mama.
Okay.
You can't open that one.
Bye.
That's for me and Mama.
Bye.
Mama's not here right this second.
But why wasn't it there?
Oh, because he was just sending it to us.
Oh.
They sent you your letter, and then we got our letter. We'll have to wait till Mama gets over here so we can open it. So what do you say to all of them over there?
Thank you.
Yeah, that was super nice of you guys. Thank you. She's probably going to put this horse... Where are you going to put that horse? What are you going to do with that
I'm going
horse?
to keep it in this box and make a barn out of this box.
She's going to make a barn out of that box.
For my horsies. I forgot the name of this horse, but I know it's Abigail's horse, I think.
See, she's made a barn out of it already.
I started coloring and kind of make this into a barn shape. Like, do this.
Yep.
Wait.
We could build a little barn for her. But yeah, thank you for that, guys. This book is pretty awesome. Let's look at it real quick. Let's see if we can show some people. It just shows you a bunch of like, here, I'm going to see it right here. Just open up a page.
How to make a tent and everything.
Yeah, planning a picnic, treasure hunting,
Definitely, if you watched this video I am mixing words up. Backwards, I am going to use this book and everything I need to do.
Like making a fort. That's the first page right there. A teepee fort. Let's show
yeah,
them.
but I don't have anything to make a teepee.
See? Teepee fort.
This is the one I'm going to use.
Which one?
This one right here.
What is that?
Because I love forts.
Oh, a fence and chair fort. Or a string and sheet fort.
Ooh,
oh, wow. There's right there. There's a lot of different ones on there.
So we're going to try these Sharkies. I think they're watermelon flavored. Good thing they're watermelon, I think, because I love watermelon flavored candy. These are good.
I bet those are good. Let me try one.
They're sour. Very sour.
That's pretty cool. And they're chewy.
I don't know why I want to see this one.
They're pretty good.
Right back. Okay, so those were really good. 1 out of 100, I'm going to say 100. Austin, 1 out of 100, what do you think?
1 out of 100, maybe like 85 on
85?
those. Yeah. They're good though, but I still like the original gummy worms the best. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I guess 1 out of 100. Yeah, I want a bunch of y'all to guess what number I am. 1 out of 100. How much I like the gummy worms. I'm giving you a moment to think.
Just tell them to write it in the comments below.
Yeah, write it in the comments below.
And tell us if you've already tried those gummy sharks before.
I'm going to eat one more.
One more.
These are the best things ever. I think these might be new, I think.
Yeah, I've never seen them before. Still good as the first one?
They have sour gel in them, I think.
Yeah, they're like chewy.
They're made out of sour gel, I think. They are. So I think that'll be it for this video. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more chicken fun. And remember to guess 1 out of 100 what number it is of how much I like the gummy worms. I'll tell you, I give you one hint. It's somewhere in 80.
That's a pretty good hint.
Here it is. 80 out of 90. Guess. So that'll be it. And bye-bye.